Hello everyone, hope you're alright. In today's video I'm going to plant these beautiful hostas in my gravel bed. So this is kind of update of my hosta. I bought them online and they were delivered as bare roots, so I did a planting video where I planted those bare roots in these pots. So this is 1 gallon nursery pot, 5 liter 1 gallon, and this one is a bit smaller. I think it's half the size of this one, maybe 2 liters. So I planted the bare roots in these pots and you can see they have grown really nicely. And there are two varieties of hostas. So one is plantain lily hosta Sabeldiana Francis William, and the other is plantain lily hosta Sabeldiana Allicum. And these can grow about 75 to 100 centimeter high and 50 to 75 centimeter wide. So one of them has got this variation on the leaves, as you can see. It's like yellow edges, and this is nice variation, and this one is all same color, but this is more on blue side. So this is more like blue and this is like green and yellow variegation, and these are hardy up to minus 15 degrees centigrade. So I wanted to plant them in my gravel bed in the front garden, and I think I won't be able to film the process because it's very sunny at the moment. It's when I film it causes lots of shades and basically it's not very doable. So I'm trying to do it for few days, but I can't really find time when it's nice and overcast because it's very sunny these days. So I thought I would give you an update how they are looking now, and then I'm gonna plant them, and then I'll show you how they are looking in the gravel bed. So I have done lots of planting videos in my gravel bed. Basically it's really easy process. You scoop the gravel out of the way, then you dig a hole deep enough for the plant root to go in there. Sometimes instructions tell you how deep the hole should be, so it's at least the size of this container, or if it's a little bit bigger then it's much better because the roots will have more time to settle in. And normally when I dig the hole, I take the soil which is there out, and I put I fill it with multi-purpose compost, and then I add slow release fertilizer and fill it with that, and then I when I'm done planting I cover it with the gravel, and then I make sure when you do a new plant give it lots of water every day. And I am also fertilizing them like once a week. So once they are established, and you won't need to fertilize them too often. So one application in the spring and one application in the autumn of slow release fertilizer would be enough. But first year or second year, when the plants are young, it's a good idea to fertilize them so they can establish themselves. And the instructions say I need to plant them slightly below the soil level. So basically when I bought the bare roots, I planted them all below the soil level, the bare roots, and now they have come up. So now I don't need to plant them any deeper. I can go for the same soil level. They prefer a sun and semi-shade position. So in my gravel bed, although it's very sunny, but it's morning sun most of the time, and then it gets shady in the afternoon, which will be good for these plants. They can spread up to like 100 centimeter, 3 feet. So they can go in the back of a border or like in the front of the border if you want them to cascade out more. So I'm gonna plant them in the front of the border, a little bit further apart from each other. So I have got all my supplies ready, and I'm going to plant them, and I'll show you how they look after I'm done planting. So I'm done planting both hostas, and this is the gravel bed in my front yard. This is the left side of the yard and the other is the right side of the yard. I have got this hosta, which is elegans, on the left side of the yard, and hosta Francis William on the right side of the yard. Hosta Francis William is more heart shaped, more bold leaves, but it's more bluish foliage. So I thought it will look good on this side of the border next to this camellia, which is evergreen. As you can see, it gets more morning sun. On the other side of the gravel bed where I have planted this Hosta elegans, this is more greenish foliage with yellow variegation, and this bed gets a little bit of morning sun and more afternoon sun, but it's partly shaded due to the wall and the container next to it. I thought it will look good next to this hukra, which is red foliage, so this yellow green foliage will go best with the red foliage of the hukra. So the plants are small at the moment, but they will grow quickly and fill out this border really soon. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.